Hello and welcome back. We are carrying on with 1230-36 pull box or junction box sizes. So take a look on page 168 and 169. We've got a couple examples up here that I'll get you guys to do. We have, what we're going to do is determine, for example, on this angle pull here or this U-pull over here, we are going to determine, for example, on this angle pull, what is this distance between our conduits if we are using 2-inch conduit. On the angle pull, we are going to refer to Rule 12-3036 2CII capital A. Over here on our pull box, or sorry, the U-pull, which basically means we're going to be pulling a conductor like that. We need to make sure that this distance is a certain distance, so we are not going to cause too much stress on this conductor or conductors that we pull in. So on the U-pull, we are going to use 12-30-36 2CII capital B. So first of all, let's take a look at this question right here. We have an angle pull with 2-inch conduit. We want to determine what is this distance between the boxes, and then afterwards we're going to calculate basically the depth of the box. So when you take a look at sub-rule I there, it talks about have a distance as measured in a straight line between the nearest edge of each raceway or cable entering enclosure, enclosing the same insulated conductors of at least 6 times the trade diameter of the raceway or equivalent cable. So 6 times the trade diameter. So 6 times the raceway, 2-inch equals 12 inches. So this distance here must be 12 inches. Also, when you take a look at this rule and you read it, the depth of the box must be 6 times as well. So that's the height of the box. Next, we have the U-pull, the famous U-pull. And we want to determine this distance right here. So once again, if you read paragraph B, it says 6 times the trade diameter of the largest raceway or equivalent cable if they are of different sizes. Well, they are of same size. So in this example here, this distance has to equal 6 times the 2-inch, which equals 12 inches. That's the distance. Now, determining the actual size of the box, you have to include your connectors plus whatever room you have over on either side. So this box, maybe for example, an extra 12 inches. So it could be possibly a 24-inch by the time you get your connectors in here. As well as the depth, as you can see, that can be 12 inches. But however, the distance between the conduits has to be 12 inches. So that's how easy it is to calculate the size of pull boxes. Hope you enjoyed this presentation. We'll come back shortly with one more. Thanks. Hi, and welcome back to 12-30-36 pull box or junction boxes. By far the easiest calculation to do is the straight through pull. So have a look at 12-30-36 subrule 2A in your code book on page 168. In this example, what we're doing is determining the size of the pull box, or the length of the pull box, when we have two 4-inch conduits, one entering on the top and one entering on the bottom. So take a look at 1230-36 subrule 2B. It says for straight pulls or runs of cable have a length of at least 8 times the trade diameter of the largest raceway or equivalent. We have 4-inch conduit here, so 8 times 4 is 32 inches. Therefore, the length of this box must be 32 inches. Straight pulls are very easy to calculate. Once again, thanks for watching.